Alright guys, so this is the final product. Hubcap is fully installed. Just wiped down the white wall tiny bit, but I'm going to take some, what do you call it, Mr. Clean to it. Magic eraser. But so far, I'm liking how it looks. I don't think I'll keep it 100% of the time, but it actually wasn't too bad to get the cap on. I used blue tape to protect the finish and just slammed it with the mallet. Took about 7 minutes. It wasn't too bad. I just touched up a little of the clear coat where I hit it with the mallet. And I really like how it came out. So now I gotta do the other three. So that kind of gives you a look with the factory and the black. Because it's definitely more sporty look. It's not the classic, you know, and I'm usually a stock guy. But I kind of felt like a change. And this is easy enough to swap in and out. So I'm excited. This looks good. Gives it that sporty look. I think it'll be easy to clean with, you know, just a hose. It's easy enough to respray the clear coat and touch it up with the black Plasti-dip if needed. Easy enough to get on and off. So this is definitely, I would recommend this as a cheap and easy way to accessorize your Caddy or Chevy, Olds, Buick, whatever you have that still has these kind of spoke hubcaps. And that's it, guys. I'll show you a finished all four. Probably take me another week or two between everything else, but I'll give you guys a final look after it's all done.